And I must put this very carefully. But as long as we are in the dispensation of grace, His grace will always be sufficiently, abundantly enough to cover every debt. Die volgens die einde van Kolossense 3 vers 13 is dit uit hierdie einste sogenaamde leerling waaruit ek en jy moet onttrek wanneer dit ons beurt is om te vergewe. I hope this makes sense. I can only pray in the name of Jesus that I'm carrying the message across correctly and clearly and directly this morning. Vergewe mekaar soos die Here julle vergewe het. Withdraw from the account of His abundantly sufficient grace. And it's your turn and my turn to forgive.